Hello everyone, Kayla here, and this is What the Kink. And this is the last braid. Many hours have passed since I was last up on this camera, trying to film the intro. And listen, the time that it has taken me nearly double, if not more, the time that it took me to put these braids in. I have gone from breakfast to I missed my dinner. It's time for me to get some dinner. And the amount of debris is everywhere. I'm going to insert a picture from like earlier today so you can see just how much stuff is on me. My hair is definitely in need of a wash. It is dirt to the T. And there's product everywhere, but it's just not going to happen tonight. So this is how much hair I have lost so far, and I don't think that that is quite 2 weeks of hair, meaning the rest of the hair is up in here, and I'm gonna have to get it out when I wash my hair. But at least my goal was to get at least as much of the hair out as possible so that when it came down to time for me to wash my hair, I wouldn't have as much shed hair to deal with, you know what I mean? So listen, I will see y'all in that wash day footage tomorrow. about coming back and doing the very end of this video like after my hair had a chance to lay overnight, as my hair is always bigger after I send it to the dryer because of the way that I dry my hair. I will link the video that shows you how I dry my hair. But yeah, it is very freeing to have my hair back. I think this is cemented in my mind that I am not one of those protective style people. You may also notice that there's a little bit of like brown color, and if you've watched my channel for a very long time, you may not even notice that because my hair used to actually be colored like that. But for the new folks, I added a little bit of the Get Hued here in the sunset color. So that is what is like the whole little color on here, because my hair is one solid color all around. So it feels good to have my hair back out. I was starting to feel kind of bald because of the flatness and the hanginess of the hair. Girl, it's just not for me, okay? But in case you missed any of the videos that detail the time that I had the braids, I'm going to be linking those over here. Please go check them out and support my channel. And then subscribe, invite me to your subscriptions page. I would love to be there. And I will talk to you in the next one.